We've been hard at work on Lockbook 8.3. We're excited to show you our progress on taking richer notes in more formats. You can see a high-level overview of our efforts over here. If you have feedback, feature requests, or bug reports, please join our Discord and be a part of our community. That said, let's jump over to Adam for an early look into our new drawing experience.
Hi everyone, I'm super excited to share our new editor, which will allow you to illustrate your thoughts in Lockbook. Scribbles, diagrams, storyboards, any concept you can conjure up, you can now draw it in Lockbook. Me and myself, I'm like an avid doodler. You can always catch me drawing in class to pass time or devising diagrams to simplify hard problems. So I had a blast working on this, and the best part is that it's SVG based. SVG is just like Markdown. It's an open format that you can truly own. It plays nice with the other editors, so you can always import and export notes from Inkspace, Adobe Illustrator, Figma, and whatever you like. Currently, the SVG editor is only on Windows and Linux. But, and this is the hype part, because it's built in the same architecture as our Markdown editor, drawing will be easily ported to other clients. So Android and Apple users, stay tuned. On another note, we've also polished the PDF viewer. Zooming around is way more intuitive through the new toolbar. And navigation is butter smooth through the thumbnail side panel. Now, back to Smile for some Apple and Android updates.
Hey everyone, I'm happy to announce that our multi-platform editor is coming to Android. This means your notes will look exactly the same no matter what device you're on. You'll notice immediately that Markdown characters are hidden by default until you select that text. I love this since it makes my class notes look a whole lot neater. You can now view inline Lockbook images in your documents. Since there's a new editor, we decided there should be an improved toolbar. You can now insert lists, bold phrases, and mark up your documents seamlessly from your Android device. Besides this, there are a bunch of fixes for Apple devices, from better support for offline to adding back the ability to rename your folders. That's about it. I'll pass it up to Travis for some editor updates.
What up? Travis here with 10 quick editor improvements. First up, when you hover text, we reveal the Markdown syntax of the mouse. Second, when you hold Command, we reveal syntax for the current paragraph. Third, triple click now selects a paragraph. Links are now underlined and are blue in more places, and the cursor is always blue when it's in a link. Command click opens a link, so when you hold Command and hover a link, we give you a hover hand pointer. We fixed an annoying bug where drag scrolling over a link on mobile would open the link. Lists are now indented a little bit more, so numbered lists can have bigger numbers. We fixed a bug where if your cursor was before a list item, we would highlight it. And finally, now you can select multiple list items and tab indent them. This has been 10 quick editor improvements. Now back to Parth.
We made some updates to our core library, the library behind all of our Lockbook apps. As a result, Lockbook apps are now able to read and write documents while syncing. You're significantly less likely to see a screen that looks like this. We've received some great feedback about our CLI as well. We now respect the editor and visual environment variables for detecting what editor our CLI should open your files in. We also now respect the home path variable, enabling our Windows app to work out of the box. Lastly, our CLI now supports standard streams as a way to edit and view files, rounding out the 3 ways you can edit a file using our CLI. You can edit a file using a text editor, you can copy information between your disk and Lockbook, and now you can chain together Lockbook with other CLIs using standard streams. See Lockbook Stream for more information. If you'd like to find out more about multimedia efforts across our platform, you can follow along the efforts on GitHub. We've shipped a lot of exciting things today, and we can't wait for you to give them a try and give us feedback. Drop by our Discord and tell us what you like, and tell us what you're longing for. If you want to hear more, stay tuned. This month, we're going to record and share our project planning session, where you can find out more information about what to expect in the next release. With that, we're going to build a fire for that session now.